Everyone in the land space is now talking about AI tools for good reason. AI texters, AI agents, AI CRMs, all of it. One thing land investors ask is, how is land AI different from a lot of these other automation tools? My name is Brandon Parker, founder of Land AI. I've made over 10 million cold calls, and last year's our team's closed over $20 million in land deals. So let me make this very clear. Cheap automation tools automate tasks. Land AI runs an entire pipeline. A cheap tool will text someone or move a tag, but has no understanding of motivation, price logic, seller psychology, or nuance. It's just firing workflows. That's why operators end up getting more confused and instead of just closing more deals. Land AI does the entire qualification flow end to end, human, warm transfer, my extracts motivation, price, timeline, objections, contradictions, emotional patterns, things we've trained from thousands of land seller calls. Then everything lands in your CRM with clean notes, transcripts, comps, routing, and a click to call button. That's not a task, that's an entire operations machine. And here's the part that a lot of people miss. If a company isn't training on real land data, they're not an AI company. They are a GPT wrapper. No training data means no pattern recognition, no psychology, no extra accuracy, no ability to handle the weirdness land sellers throw out every day. You saw examples in previous videos. Cheap AI breaks down as soon as someone rambles about their cousin building a cabin or throws out some emotional number they heard from a realtor. Maya doesn't. She's trained on that exact behavior. Cheap automation gives you more noise. Land AI gives you fewer, better conversations. Instead of sifting through 100 junk leads, you get 20 sellers that actually matter. With every detail already organized, acquisitions manager can just start working immediately. Cheap tools just give you more features. Land AI gives you outcomes. If you want predictable, qualified deal flow without hiring an entire team, that's the high service plus high automation quadrant that Land AI owns.